Bulacan State University Bustos Campus History. State University Bustos is one of the satellite campuses which complement the main campus of the university in Malala. How it came to be is the result of the events that became part of the history of BSU Bustos. In the year 1975, retired General Alejo Manong Santos, together with other civic-minded citizens in the province, put up the Bustos Vocational and Technical School, which was temporarily housed at Bustos Central Elementary School in Poblacion, Bustos, Bulacan. The school offered one-year special vocational courses in engine repair and tune tailoring, practical electricity, and drafting. Mr. Loreto Estrella was appointed as consultant. The following year, the Bulacan College of Arts and Trades, which was headed by Dr. Antonio Federizo, was absorbed by the BPTS into its system. The university branch was subsequently transferred to a vacant lot which was previously occupied by the Holy Child Academy. Mr. Simplicio Reyes acted as the campus director. The campus started offering a secondary trade school curriculum and a special two-year technical program in 1977. This was done under the directorship of Mr. Benacio Mandirilla. In 1979, the laboratory building was constructed through donations coming from the Chinese Chamber of Commerce based in Manila and retired General Alejo Santos. Mr. Aurelio Duniso assumed the leadership charge of the campus. Was phased out. Mr. Aurelio Duniso retired and he was replaced by Mr. Edgardo Mateo as director of the campus. In 1993, by virtue of Republic Act No. 7665 sponsored by Teodoro Natividad, TCAT was converted to Bulacan State University with Dr. Rosario Pimentel as president. Mr. Danilo Hilario assumed the directorship of the Bustos campus. Construction of the Technological and Science Building was started in 1994 through the countrywide development funds of Representative Pedro M. Pancho. Mr. Edgardo Mateo was reinstated to the post he previously vacated. In 1997, the campus started offering the four-year teacher education (BSEd) curriculum with a specialization in general science and PhD, and the four-year teacher education curriculum with a specialization in work education and HET, and the two-year engineering course. In 2001, when the Technological and Science Building neared its final phase of completion, Dr. Isabelita Santiago replaced Mr. Edgardo Mateo in the directorship of the Bulacan State University in Bustos. In June 2002, Professor Angelina Isidro was raised from admission coordinator to acting director. It was in August of the same year when she assumed responsibility of the directorship of the campus. During her directorship, campus offered the four-year teacher education (BEd) curriculum with specialization in mathematics, The construction of Pangcio building was also finished. It was also during her term that the Bishop was also passed the preliminary survey of the AAC. It was May 2006 when Professor Angelina D. Cinco was replaced by Dr. Ladislao Barcelo as director of the Bustos campus.
Oh. Sige po. Talim nga eh.
Indeed, it is a great honor and privilege to be a part of a very prestigious and dynamic institution whose major contribution to society and community, local, national, and international, is to produce quality graduates, entrepreneurs, businessmen, and top caliber needs of industries, companies, and institutions in both the government and the private sector. We, the Bustos campus, the faculty, the students, the non-teaching, and the parents look forward that we could maintain our university's outstanding and excellent performance, which is the trademark and hallmark of a great academic institution of higher learning. We are very confident that we could easily attain our vision, mission, goals, and objectives, and that nothing is impossible if we are united, committed, and dedicated. And so, let us all start to build bridges that will strengthen our unity, solidarity, and linkages. This will eventually lead us to more progress and more success. It is our fervent hope and prayer that with the help of Allah, our God Almighty, we will be showered with more blessings and brighter future. More power to Suwan.